These are 3 tricks in Illustrator that are going to improve your workflow and make you love taking shortcuts all at the same time. Here's trick number 1. When changing the size of text, you don't have to constantly go to the character menu. Instead, hold Shift, Command, or Control if you're on a PC, and the greater than sign to make the text larger, and use the lesser than sign to go smaller. Tip number 2. Copy and paste is great, but what if you could copy something just by clicking it? Hold the Option key, or the Alt key if you're on a PC, and click and drag an object. Yeah, that's a thing! Alright, tip number 3. Work smarter, not harder. After moving, rotating, or duplicating an object, press Command D or Control D, again if you're on PC, to do it again. The same thing you just did, as many times as you'd like. Did you know any of those tricks? If you did, let me know in the comments below. If you've stayed for this entire video, if you like and subscribe, I'll give you 1 extra tip. Who am I kidding? I'm going to tell you anyway. Here's trick number 4. With your object selected, press the X key and the Shift key to swap the fill and the stroke of your object. Here's an extra tip. If you just press the X key, it'll switch between your fill and your stroke color being selected, so you can easily change colors. Now that you know these tricks, you can apply them to your projects and speed up your workflow. If you want to know how to turn this into this using one of the tricks I just taught you, click on this video right here.